perfectly. And so it's now 6:17. I don't know if you can see this. I'll probably zoom. So yeah, it's 6:17. I complete the work for the week because in Ireland it's St. Patrick's Day tomorrow, so it's gonna be a long weekend. And the good thing is tomorrow gym is open, 9 to 5, and usually I just run. Usually it's open 9 to 5 on the weekend, but being the bank holiday, it's not closed. That's a good thing. Or else it's typical Friday, go around at 6:30. And today I trained shoulders, full workout, and a bit like a one exercise for arms, biceps and triceps. So training is looking good. I'm really pushing myself in the gym, and workouts are consistently, progressively getting better, and my quality of muscle, hardness and the tightness and the fullness of the muscle is looking good. And I have put on quite a bit of body fat, but not that much. So staying lean and bulking. My weight is around 75 to 76 in those ranges, but right now I'm 2500 calories. Probably it's gonna differ by the end of this week because we are, after this week it's gonna be 26 weeks until my competition, and we are trying to do not 26 yet, 25 most probably. We are trying to do 20 weeks of cut, and yeah. What else? I'm doing cardio 25 minutes per day on the days which I am not able to do because of work. I have to go to office. That day I have shifted to following day or the day where I don't go, so it's double time on that day. And yeah, so this package, I ordered this package around like 1st of March, and it arrived today, 16th of March, probably 15 days to clear the customs getting from US. And I wanted to try this pack. This is kind of a subscription package, so it's gonna be arriving every 2 months. So I'm gonna try experiment this probably 30 days straight. I'm gonna see what the results are. I'm hoping it's gonna be good. It's nothing supplement or anything. It's for this is face cream. It's for the face cream. It has 3 products. It's for the face routine, I think so. Sorry. So this is it's skincare routine. There are 3 products in there, and I'm trying to use this for consistent basis, 30 days daily. So these 3 products are, so I didn't set the brand. So this is Apricus skincare, which many of you might know. It's a Alex Costa product. This is skincare, skin line of his, and I have been following his YouTube channel for probably 5 years, and yeah, I decided to try this out and have a consistent skincare routine. So this has first one. I'll throw the not throw. I'll put the image on the screen as in talking about this. So first one is exfoliating scrub. So it's this one. It's a really small package. Anyway, there is a face wash. This is the first step, face wash, and then exfoliating scrub, and last one is the moisturizer. Yeah, this is 2 months package. It should last for 2 months. We'll test that, and I'm gonna update, I don't know, every week because I post every week, so that would be good. And then what else? I'm gonna have my last meal of the day, and today I have to edit two reels and get on started with the YouTube video. Hello guys, it's today is Friday 17th and it's a weekend. It's actually a long weekend, St. Patrick's Day, and it's around 2:38 and 2:39, and I'm going to meal prep chicken basically for the entire week. So, and today I have to edit and update my YouTube banner, and then edit a YouTube vlog as well. Get started on that. It might be training session oriented, a week of workout, and some clips that I have filmed. I'm going to voice over them, and then later on, after putting all the clips together, and yes, today it was again same routine, same day, but being St. Patrick's Day, bank holiday in Ireland, today's session was from 9 to probably 12 p.m. because I had to do 2 hours of normal usual workout. Did not rush in, and then later on workout plus abs plus cardio session of 30 minutes, and yeah, it was really tiring, and came home straight, freshen up, showered, had my first post workout meal, which is same, and then now I'm going to cook chicken, have that meal, and also later on practice, later on go on with the editing, maybe watch something for entertainment, but I'm not sure about that. And then what else? And then I have to learn some piano as well, so get on practicing with that, and that is it pretty much. So hope you enjoyed this vlog as well, and I'm gonna start the time lapse. So
you were a sunflower, born in the wild like a weed. Could be a blessing in a way. That's what I see. I'm just a wallflower. All of the words just won't come. Oh, what's the use of calling it quits before I'm done? I could say I love you, but maybe it bears some repeating. And here I am wearing your shoes, caught up cold like a feeling. You and me like BB and J. Know that I just want you to stay. You were a sunflower, born in the wild like a weed. Could be a blessing in a way. That's what I see. I'm just a wallflower. All of the words just won't come. Oh, what's the use of calling it quits before I'm done? Trying to remember where I was playing it. This life got me so romantic. It's 90 degrees in the winter time. Whiplash across the double yellow line. You and me like BB and J. Know that I just want you to stay. You were a sunflower, born in the wild like a weed. Could be a blessing in a way. That's what I see. I'm just a wallflower. All of the words just won't come. Oh, what's the use of calling it quits before I'm done?
People always asking why I can't see you. When we gon' link, I'm busy like, but yo. Yeah, we outside today. If you really looking for me, I'm miles away. I be with my peoples in the hideaway. They can only see me on the holidays, yeah. All the years my dad been locked up, now he finally free. Breaking generational curses, yeah, that started with me. So all my fams and my friends, they depending on me. All this pressure on my back and I could hardly breathe. Ain't no shame in my game, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Got the heart of a lion, so they know I'm a king. People see me all the time and say you doing your thing. Then they hit me back saying, yo, when we gon' link? But I ain't got the time today. But I probably hit you if I'm round the way. I be in the crib, that's where I hibernate. They can only see me on the holidays, yeah.
When they see me, it's different forms. Cause we steady elevating through the storm. Ain't no putting off yet, we just putting on. So breathe. They take your kindness for weakness and your presence for granted. The moment you give up your access, then they stories recanted. How he come out standing tall, whole time he was short-handed. And how the root of all evil get recycled and replanted. Yo, don't abuse your privileges, home is where the village is. Frame the portrait, don't go based on somebody else's images. Discover sources, word to Jehovah, they're your witnesses. Unlock the cobra, black mamba torture for all the scrimmages. You give some of what you got so they could feed off. And give them more than they had, just to bleed off. With nothing in return, yo, it's time to clean off. Them words that they was throwing, man, yeah, it start to peel off. And underneath there was a man unscathed, with 3 letters engraved. Lord knows he been saved. On mama's love he was raised, the final cost has been paid. Ain't no coming back, this time I booked the ticket one way. Maybe I'll return someday.